Do you struggle with finding the right tools to help you get organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about how to repurpose household items into organizing products here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, you know that I always recommend to avoid shopping for organizing products until you've finished your organizing project because you never know what you may have laying around the house already that can help you. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. We're going to talk about common household items that can double as organizing products to save you time and to save you money. Many people make the mistake of shopping for organizing products before they even begin an organizing project. And the truth is, we already have lots of items in our homes that are quite useful if they get repurposed as an organizing product. So in this video, we're going to talk about just 5 examples, and there's so many more. But let's dive in with our first product, and that is an over-the-door shoe organizer. You've seen these before. You may have even grown up using one of these for shoes, but they could be used for so many more things. What's great about this product is it offers vertical storage and lots of options. You can hang one in the bathroom to store small toiletries. You can hang one in the pantry for spices or oils. You could use one in a child's bedroom for small toys, or you could use one in the coat closet for scarves and gloves. Lots of uses. The second example are empty checkbook boxes. Remember those things? Well, these boxes prevent items from rolling around loose in a drawer, and you could use the boxes or the lids to group like items together, like pens and pencils, batteries, notepads, and rubber bands. Now, this tool is only useful if you still have checkbook boxes laying around your house, and you might. But nowadays, if you're even still using checkbooks, the bank doesn't usually send them in a box anymore. So, if checkbook boxes aren't in your house, the next best option is to use the lids from shoe boxes. Because the boxes themselves would be too deep, but the lids make a great sorting device. Our third example are ice cube trays. Yep, they're not just for making ice or flavored oils anymore. This is a creative and practical way to separate and organize smaller items like earrings, rings, beads, paper clips, nails, or thumbtacks. I use them for my small jewelry. The fourth example are magazine holders. And magazine holders can come in a variety of materials. You could find them made of cardboard, of course, but nowadays you can also find them in acrylic. You could find them in plastic. You could find them in a mesh, like in the picture here. And they could be used in so many ways. You could use them in a bathroom cabinet to store cleaning supplies, or here in this picture on the kitchen counter to store your citrus fruits, or even root vegetables like potatoes and onions. A magazine holder like this, which is an acrylic version, can be in the refrigerator and can hold taller items like green onions or asparagus, or you can lay it on its side, like in the photo here, to store smaller items like cheese sticks or bottled water. But by putting it on its side, you're creating vertical space again. You're adding height to give yourself more storage options. And our final example for today are food storage containers. So this tip is especially great if you have clean food storage containers, but they've lost their lids, or maybe the lids got warped and they don't fit snugly anymore. You don't have to get rid of the container just because it doesn't have a lid. You can repurpose the container to organize items in your linen closet, your medicine cabinet, or even under the bathroom or kitchen sink. At my house, we use them in our linen closet to store things like batteries, cold medications, or first aid items. So I hope this will inspire you to look for products around your house that can help you get organized so you can save money and time. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.